ACP and DCP, being revengeful from my complaint, they are backdating the orders to include my name in the. This is clear mockery sir. एक तो खुद देख नहीं रहे, दूसरा अपने सबॉर्डिनेट से करवा रहे हैं और उनके सबॉर्डिनेट उन्हीं ऑफिसर्स से ले रहे हैं जिनका कंडक्ट चैलेंज किए गए हैं. This is what they have done is they're flouting the orders in such a manner that backdating में backdating. That is a clear mockery sir. मतलब वो लोग इस तरीके से करेंगे, मेरे को तो फिर मल्टीपल प्रोसीडिंग्स में जाना पड़ेगा सर. अगेन अब मुझे sir is being asked, if you see, by the DCP headquarter on the behalf of contempt at the end of this matter. But I would like to draw your attention to just page number 35 next after this. This is the note sheet. Okay. Just next after this page. This is the note sheet, and if you carefully pursue honorable this note sheet, at the end, it is decided by the additional CP law and order, not by the CP. And what they have done is they have asked the report, factual report from the ACP itself, whose conduct was challenged and whose conduct was ought to be reviewed in the light of that representation. So what they are doing is they are asking the factual report from that officer only, and CP is not personally deciding the representation, because in the representation the two things were clearly mentioned, that ACP and DCP, being revengeful from my complaint, they are backdating the orders to include my name in the surveillance register, that is Gunda list. So he is not ready to do personal review, despite in the contempt petition which was earlier filed, he was not, he was given clear warning, but he didn't do. And the thing is, sir, the most important thing is the disposal which they have done after the contempt petition is also backdated. Means in the backdated review which was ought to be paid, that is also backdated. And it is clearly proven कि इन्होंने backdating की. So this is clear mockery sir. एक तो खुद देख नहीं रहे, दूसरा अपने सबॉर्डिनेट से करवा रहे हैं और उनके सबॉर्डिनेट उन्हीं ऑफिसर्स से ले रहे हैं जिनका कंडक्ट चैलेंज किए गए हैं. और थर्ड थिंग, अगेन backdating. Clear mockery sir. There is a very high rank official sir, and he is not meeting also sir. I would like to pray before this court कि सर वो मुझे मिलने का टाइम नहीं देते हैं सर. मैं उनसे मिलना चाहता हूँ. वो बाहर से अच्छी लेके बोलते हैं उनसे मिल.
The problem is now you are for doing this. That didn't get to this. These things can be looked
Sir, that
at contempt proceedings.
सर वो जो मेरा गुंडालिस्ट का मामला वो मैं चैलेंज कर दूंगा आपको.
I know that.
But this contempt, this is what they have done is they're flouting the orders in such a manner that backdating में backdating. It's clear mockery of the court. If you think that it is being contempt, according to me it is a contempt. If you also think, you can issue notice, no problem. Because previously also sir जो contempt petition थी इसके पहले जो लगाई थी, that was also dealt in a very objectionable manner. I don't want to say it here, because that was also because it was not dealt in a very fair manner. He was not being asked to substantiate what makes you delay for not complying with the time limit. And
There was against the same order.
no, so both the orders are changed, because in that earlier contempt petition also time limit was given, additional 2 weeks time.
Yeah.
Yes, so both the orders are changed. So it is a clear mockery sir. मतलब वो लोग इस तरीके से करेंगे, मेरे को तो फिर मल्टीपल प्रोसीडिंग्स में जाना पड़ेगा सर. अगेन अब मुझे जैसे आप बोल रहे हैं WP में जाना है तो जाना तो पड़ेगा ही सर. तो इट इज बिकॉज ऑफ देयर कंडक्ट.
You have to go.
नहीं वो तो मैं चले जाऊंगा. मुझे
It cannot be overturned in contempt proceedings. So ultimately you have to go and investigate.
हाँ वो मैटर तो जा सकते हैं, बट दिस इज फॉर द कंटेंट.
And
This
as
is for
regards
contempt.
contempt, I am satisfied.
No, it's okay sir. It's okay.
The petitioner has filed his petition alleging alleging non-compliance of the order basis 17/10/2024 passed by this court in WC number 309990/2024. Hereby direction was given to the Commissioner of Police Indore in terms of para 5 for deciding the representation of the petitioner. The petitioner submits that the reject order dated 2/12/2024 has been filed but it has not been passed by the Commissioner of Police, but by Deputy Commissioner of Police.
on behalf of additional commissioner.
Section 8, 9, the bottom of safety is assured that
Personally,
Deputy Deputy Commissioner of Police, headquarters. Third Commissioner of Police, who submits on a further perusal of the note sheet and close the P9, it will come to the court that the order has not been, that the commissioner has not bestowed this personal consideration to passing of the order deciding the implementation, which according to me is a contempt of the direction issued by the state and expedition. He also submits that in fact the representation has been decided by the very same person against whom he has made allegations to make representation.
no, sir, not by that, but by calling the report from that officer.
Who submits, which submits that the representation is decided based on the report sent by the very same person against whom he has made allegation to his representation. On their perusal of another it can be seen that in the last two lines of the order, it has been mentioned that the additional police commissioner, law and order, has examined the report submitted with respect to the presentation submitted for the police force. The direction by dispute was not, but individual consideration by the officer, by the commissioner, but that the direction to decide representation. The commissioner, in order to discharge his multifarious responsibility, delegate his powers to different persons. Because it is not the case of the patient that the person will pass this order is personally protected by the state. All the facts can be examined in content procedures. Because the direction was to decide the documentation which has not been decided. If we agreed by another create, we can always challenge the same before appropriate body. So, the code is satisfied about the compliance done by the respondent. And so it is made out to control the
However, my one submission has not been, I did not record that this P8 disposal is backdated, and I have given the evidences.
the council for petitioner also commits the keep a hearing person. No?
Petitioning person.
So, the petitioner also submits that the another two is an anti-dated document. So, the this aspect is a factual dispute which cannot be examined in the procedures. It is agreed by the order and the two ways. You can always challenge the same before the appropriate forum and establish the fact that it is an anti-dated document.
However, one last thing, this you have made noted him that the Commissioner of Police was not personally directed. I would like to draw your attention to the order which is clearly written.
That I have seen.